Hi, I'm Todd Carrier with Protective Insurance Company. In this edition of Safety Solutions, we will discuss driving safely through highway work zones. Construction is an issue every driver has to deal with at some point, but it can even be more frustrating when you're behind the wheel of a truck or motorcoach. The risk of collisions in construction zones can also be higher for operators of these types of vehicles. First, plan ahead for delays and leave early to reach your destination on time. Also, familiarize yourself with alternate routes before leaving. Always expect the unexpected when it comes to work zones. Speed limits may be reduced, traffic lanes can change, and people and vehicles may be working on or near the road. Give yourself as much time as possible to react by looking for orange warning signs and watching traffic conditions at least 1 mile down the road. Slow down as soon as you see warning signs. If a lane is closed ahead, don't wait until the last minute to merge. Move to the appropriate lane as soon as you can to help keep traffic flowing efficiently. Stay alert and be prepared to follow directions if there's a person flagging traffic. The most common crash in a highway work zone is a rear-end collision, so increase the following distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Also, keep a safe distance between your vehicle and traffic barriers, construction equipment, vehicles, and workers. In some situations, equipment and workers may be very close to the edge of the road. It's important to stay calm while driving through work zones. Every driver has to deal with construction at some point. Staying calm will make it easier to navigate these situations. Finally, be sure to always avoid distractions such as smartphones and GPS systems. For more safety solutions and risk management information, visit our website at www.protectiveinsurance.com and click on Loss Prevention. And remember, there's always time for safety.